This time, on Sailing Miss Lone Star, we sail to the beautiful island called Manjack Key. We weather another scary storm, and I meet a very special local. I'm Aubrey. I've been living on a small boat for about 6 years. I recently bought a pirate ship, and right now she's waiting for masts and rigging in Washington. So in order to earn a few bucks to pay for the project, we've taken on a boat flip. It's a 1996 37 Hunter. Thank you so much to our patrons for making these videos possible. Another great way to support us is to hit the subscribe button.
We're getting a little bit of excessive blow-by, and I think it's because the valve clearances aren't good. So over time the valve actually wears down, and then the little gap that should be there when it's cold is probably not there anymore. So gonna do a quick valve adjustment.
Searle does a quick valve adjustment for optimal performance on the 39 horsepower Yanmar.
This is stiff. This is stiff. This one. See, that's got some movement, so I can check that valve. And then I'll rotate and you can check to see the valve.
Good news! This was an easy maintenance item, and we had enough time to stretch our legs at the beach before setting sail for Manjack Key. Another perfect day in the Abacos. 8 knots of wind blows for an easy 4-mile sail. The water is full of life, and seashells glisten all over the white powdery sand. Each island seems to be more beautiful than the last. The sun is high, and it's time to go sailing. Searle and I are getting our pre-check for a sailing day down pat. Me at the helm and Searle at the windlass. I am so grateful that Searle was able to fix the windlass on the fly. Cameron swings by on his dinghy to let us know we can stop by his massive steel ketch to fill our water tanks, and we decide to take him up on it. More water equals more time off grid. We drop the hook by the 85-foot Don Brooks, and Searle heads over to fill up our jerry cans. Now we are ready for some much-awaited time off-grid in what we hope will be an empty anchorage. After 6 years of living aboard, I am so grateful that I found this lifestyle. Never in a million years did I think I would be living this life, but now that I'm here, I couldn't imagine my life any other way. Life without a bimini top means more hats. At least we have a Dodger. 'Tis true. have arrived at Crab Key and I am so excited to go explore. I hear there's an art walk and I think it's pieces of art that people have painted on stones and left around, so we'll go try to find that tomorrow. I could feel the pressure dropping rapidly. The weather was building. Another storm was on the horizon.
And the GFS forecast shows beautiful sunny day, gusting 13. Icon shows 12, gusting 21, thunderstorms.
So this time, I'm gonna put pants on ahead of time, just in case. You know that weatherman, he's never telling the truth. Okay, I'm ready. Nervous?
Yeah. Please will you open up one of your other weather apps? Because everything I look at does not show anything.
You nervous?
Yeah.
I'm a little nervous. Okay, this is supposed to be over in 2 hours. And we called again for 22 knots and we're getting probably 35 or 40 right now. And I'm super nervous. We have all of our chain out and our anchor. And we're the tallest mast.
Other boat is facing the other way and is moving.
It's right there. What?
I'm seeing a lot more light.
What'd they say?
Okay.
Hello, Josh. Gypsy wind, tranquilo. Hello, Josh.
It's clearing a little. Oh, that thunder.
And you know what? Boat drags. When we step off the boat, sit on the beach. Okay, we definitely drug. When this that's not really gonna help you when you're in the boat. And you pretty much need to make sure that line isn't tied to anything. Do you tie it to your ankle?
Yeah.
What was that?
I don't know. I think it was a
Okay, can I
Wookiee.
come?
Another front is coming through. We have dogged down all the hatches, and I think I'm gonna put my life vest back on.
On the walls again, dancing with ghosts of the people I've been. Have they gone and died, or are they living here inside? Silhouettes walking
And just like that, the seas are calm again.
the avenue. Twilight's asking me, what are you planning to do with the years and the time between now and
Searle
the
jumps
end
in to
of
investigate and find out how well our 35-pound Delta held up against 51 knots of wind in this storm. The Delta dug quite the trench as she dragged several boat lengths. When we get back to the States, we'll be buying a larger anchor. Now that the weather's cleared, we're going to go explore the island. The water is so warm. We just saw a turtle. Couldn't show you guys because number one, the turtle was wearing a jetpack. Number two, there's kind of a glare on the water. Oh shit. Hey mister! Hi! I'm a little scared of you.
Hey.
Oh my god. I don't know if you guys know this, but pigs can be a little bit mean. So we're stranded now. So I set the anchor pretty hard, and this girl wants to be fed. We didn't bring food. I didn't actually know. I heard there were pigs here, but I didn't know that there were actually pigs here. There's no people on this island. I bet you're hungry. No. No.
Go the other side. Go, quickly.
No.
So get the anchor.
Are we leaving now?
Yeah, I'm not being around on an island with a big vicious pig. You see this thing? I know what that is. That's how I'm keeping you here. Clean the anchor.
Babe, she's gonna bite my butt. Whoa. Okay. No. Seems we have located the art trail.
Going anywhere?
We had heard about a trail where people had taken their trash and things they had found from the sea and decorated it along a long path called the Art Walk. And it looks like we've found it. It's like a pig with sunglasses.
This is clever. Is it bee? That's very slippery.
Another great way to support us is to hit the subscribe button. I've been creating a daily vlog for over 3 years, exclusively on Vimeo. Details in the description below. Well, I think this means we have officially made it. Don't spill my beer! Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please hit the like button and subscribe. Lots of love to our patrons for making these videos possible.
You just ate the penis of the conch.
Just ate the peanut.
No, you didn't.